In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Forecast Sheet in Excel. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to start a forecasting workbook using a built-in template, which is great if you want a ready-made structure with charts and example formulas. Start with Excel open on your computer. From the main window, head to the File menu in the top left corner. This takes you to what's called the Backstage view, where you can create new workbooks, open recent files, and, importantly for us, browse the full template library. Think of this as Excel's catalog of pre-built designs that save you setup time. Next, select More Templates. Instead of scrolling through a handful of suggestions, this opens the broader gallery and search bar, making it much easier to find something specific. If you don't see the option right away, give it a second for the gallery to load, especially if you're on a slower connection, since templates are fetched from Microsoft's online collection. In the search box, type the word forecast. This filters the library to forecasting-related options, such as sales forecast layouts and sheets built for time-based projections. You're looking for a template that mentions forecasting or includes a forecast chart. Pay attention to the preview image and the description, so you choose a layout that matches your typical data cadence, like monthly, weekly, or quarterly. If you work with dates and values over time, say revenue per month or units sold per week, these templates are designed to slot your numbers into a timeline and visualize the projected trend. Once you see a suitable option, choose a template and click Create. Excel will download and open the workbook with sample data and a pre-configured chart. If a banner appears asking you to enable editing, go ahead and allow it so the template can function as intended. At this point, the file is yours to adjust. You'll usually see a table where dates run down one column and values sit beside them, along with a chart that updates automatically when the table changes. Many templates include brief notes or clearly labeled cells for inputs, which helps you understand what to replace with your own figures. A few practical tips as you begin customizing. Save a copy with a new name so you can preserve the original as a clean starter. Keep your dates in chronological order with a consistent interval so projections remain accurate, and scan the formulas to understand which cells feed the chart. Small checks like these ensure your forecast reflects your real data as soon as you paste it in. That's it. You've used Excel's template library to spin up a forecast sheet quickly, giving you a solid foundation to visualize trends and plan ahead.